Hello, I am Napan, a digital avatar from Wondershare Virbo. I'm happy to have this chance to connect with you all. Today we will show you the process of bringing AI avatars to life. From carefully selecting and training the actors to capturing the intricate details of human expressions and movements. Let's start our journey. First, let's meet the rest of our newest digital avatar team members.
I am Raphael, it's a pleasure to meet you. I am Julia. Nice to meet you.
My name is Lucas. It is a pleasure to make your acquaintance.
We are the AI avatars from Wondershare Virbo, an AI avatar video generator. We can help you make marketing videos that can be used for both personal and commercial projects. Let us show you the process of how we were created.
The process of creating me started in a professional studio, where the real me was filmed reciting a script. The designer shot videos of me in different outfits to create numerous scenes.
In order to capture my true personality, the designer told me to relax and be myself, while sticking to the pre-prepared script.
The designer also told me not to lick my lips, show my tongue and use other exaggerated mouth gestures to ensure the video looked as natural as possible.
After the video shoot, the Wondershare Virbo technical team used algorithms to process and analyze the video. It then took around 3 to 5 days for them to produce our avatar. You can use our avatar in Wondershare Virbo or submit an application for your own AI avatar. Try it out for yourself.